Hi, my name is Alyssa French Graham, and I'll be presenting on what to expect when you're expecting. This is a guide to understanding hormone changes for young mothers, and my audience is the general public. Let's talk about it. This is a contents page of what is to be discussed in this presentation. Please feel free to pause the video in order to look at it more thoroughly, as I'll be giving a brief overview of this page. Some of the things we will be talking about are what are hormonal changes, what are the different hormone types in the female body, what hormones are produced specifically for pregnancy, what are relaxin and oxytocin, and what are the hormonal changes in each trimester. Understanding key terms. First, we have estrogen. Estrogen is a female steroid hormone that is produced by the ovaries. Next is proestrogen. Proestrogen is a hormone produced by the female reproductive system that functions as a regulator. HCG, also known as human chronic goitropin, is a hormone produced by the cells of the placenta during pregnancy. Next is human placental lactogen, a hormone that is released by the placenta during pregnancy that provides nutrients. Relaxin is a hormone produced by the ovary and the placenta, and oxytocin strengthens labor contractions during childbirth. Why is my body changing so much? During pregnancy, a woman's body is preparing for another living thing to occupy that space. In this, the placenta produces estrogen, rising the hormone levels. One can understand that the increase in estrogen levels allows the uterus to create new blood vessels and transfer nutrients to the baby. This is necessary for the baby to grow through all trimesters. Because of this, your body undergoes a massive change. Many women often undergo mood swings, nausea, and other symptoms. However, hormonal changes are necessary for the body to continue to grow the life inside of it. What are the different types of hormones? Estrogen. Estrogen is one of the two main pregnancy hormones. Basically, when you are pregnant, your body goes into overdrive with the production of estrogen. Estrogen refers to a group of hormones produced in the ovaries during pregnancy. The placenta also produces estrogen, rising hormone levels. Estrogen levels then increase steadily throughout your pregnancy, peaking during the third trimester. Thanks to estrogen, the increase of swelling is prevalent throughout your entire body, more so your ankles, fingers, and feet. You'll produce more estrogen while you're pregnant than you will throughout the rest of your life. Proestrogen. Proestrogen is the second main pregnancy hormone. It is primarily responsible for your uterus growing 10 times its normal size. Proestrogen also loosens your ligaments and joints to ready your body for childbirth. However, loose joints increase the risk of injury while exercising, so it is recommended to do light exercises so your ovaries produce proestrogen correctly. During pregnancy, the placenta also produces proestrogen and supplies these hormones to the fetus, so the level of proestrogen in your body during pregnancy is incredibly high. Hormonal changes in pregnancy symptoms. Morning sickness occurs early in your pregnancy. This is caused by human chronic goitropin. The placenta produces HCG during pregnancy. The levels rise so rapidly in early pregnancy that they often trigger nausea and vomiting. HCG's job is to supply your embryo with the nutrients that they need to grow into a thriving baby. HCG levels should peak at 8 to 11 weeks and then later decline in your pregnancy. At this point, other pregnancy hormones will take over. Low levels of HCG in early pregnancy can indicate serious problems such as impeding miscarriage, ectopic pregnancy, or fetal death. Prenatal screening during early pregnancy can go a long way towards easing your mind and making sure a baby is developing normal. HCG levels that remain high during the later stages of pregnancy may be an indication of Down syndrome. What hormones are specifically produced for the fetus? Human placental lactogen. Human placental lactogen helps regulate your metabolism, which is the use of fats and carbohydrates for energy. This helps break down fats from foods more efficiently, allowing them to be used as energy. Human placental lactogen, HPL, is another key pregnancy hormone. It's produced by the placenta to provide your baby's nutrition and stimulate milk glands, ready for breastfeeding. It plays a major role in the milk duct development that enlarges the breast. Proestrogen levels are also extraordinarily high during pregnancy because they help human placental lactogen do its job most efficiently. What is relaxin and oxytocin? Relaxin and oxytocin are pregnancy hormones your body needs to fit the fetus to such a small space. Ovaries and the placenta produce relaxin. Relaxin levels are typically the highest during the first trimester because they prevent your body from having contractions that lead to premature birth. Oxycodone softens and dilates the opening once it's time for your baby to come out. This loosening can lead to lower back and hip pain, which is very common during the third trimester of pregnancy. Oxycodone is also responsible for milk releasing during breastfeeding after the baby is born. Hormonal changes in each trimester. The first trimester. When you first become pregnant, proestrogen and estrogen, hormones that are part of the normal menstrual cycle, rise dramatically. Side effects of these are achy breast and tender breast as well. You may feel the urgent need to pee all the time, which is most common for most women during pregnancy, especially during the first trimester, and your body will increase its blood flow. Second trimester. Most women start to feel normal again because nausea and other symptoms start to dissipate. Though your muscles and joints may feel loose and strange, this is because the increase in hormones which cause the loosening of these muscles and joints. Hormones also stimulate your skin color hormone, which is known as the melanotic hormone. It triggers your skin cells to produce melanin. Melanin is what gives you color. Many women have high levels of melanin, and many women have low levels of melanin. However, if you hear the term you're glowing during your pregnancy, this is because your body is also actually producing more color. Also, during this time, your hair will grow rapidly around your arms, legs, armpits, and the hair on top of your head. Many women may also experience growth of facial hair. The third trimester. Estrogen and proestrogen peak around 32 weeks, and your estrogen levels are the highest they will ever be during this trimester, which is 6 times higher than normal women's estrogen. Women will also experience acid reflux or heartburn. This is because proestrogen has relaxed the sphincter. The sphincter is located at the base of your throat or your esophagus. This is because your body's increase of hormones is nearing towards the end and your body's experiencing rapid heartburn and acid reflux. This hormone increase also stimulates the development of your breast tissue to prepare for lactation. Lactation is the process of breastfeeding your baby. Your lactation ramps up during the third trimester, and you are rapidly producing milk to feed your baby once it is born. Though your body isn't actually producing milk like coming out of your nipple area, your body is preparing for your baby to have food once it comes out, so your breast may increase in size rapidly. Takeaways. Maternal health is important. During pregnancy, especially for young or first time mothers, it is important to prioritize you and your baby's health. One way to do this is learning about your body's hormonal function. Doing your research and also listening to presentations like these are a tremendous help to ease your mind and make sure your baby is proceeding and doing okay throughout the entire pregnancy. Each month of pregnancy has ups and downs. Many women may experience depression during pregnancy, and many women may experience high levels of energy and productiveness during pregnancy. Your hormones are in massive influx during this time of your life. So if you feel low levels of fatigue and high levels of energy, that is perfectly normal. And it's even a sign that your body is producing an influx of hormones and new hormones as well for your baby to continue to grow and at a normal and well pace. Pregnancy has different effects on anyone and everyone. You may experience completely different symptoms than your counterparts, and that is okay. Your body is unique to yourself and your baby. So, hormonal changes that differ from someone else is completely okay. But if you feel like something is wrong, do not hesitate to reach out to your doctor and check on your baby's health and security. Here's my Works Consulted page. If you have any questions or would like to do research on your own, please look up these websites. I found them very helpful. They're a tremendous help to my presentation, and they really contributed to my own knowledge as well. That's all I have for you guys today. Thank you.